Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Zinga. Today we're going to listen to a story called A Tree for All Seasons. Earlier this week, we learned some amazing words. We're going to hear some of those amazing words in this story. How many seasons are in a year? Yes, there are 4. Can you name them? Summer, spring, winter, and fall. So we're going to learn about the seasons in this story. This story was written by Robin Bernard. A Tree for All Seasons. Year after year, a maple tree changes from season to season. Sometimes the tree is full with green leaves. Sometimes it's bare with none at all. Sometimes the leaves are just starting to grow. And sometimes the leaves change color. All depends on what season and what time of year it is. Take a look at this picture of this tree. What do you notice? What season do you think it is? It is winter. In winter, the tree is bare. It looks dead, but it is alive and well. Many things are happening. Squirrels nap in cozy tree holes. A little bird sits on a branch and calls its name, chickadee-dee-dee. Look closely at this tree branch. The bumps at the tip are buds. They will open into leaves when the weather changes and gets warmer. As winter ends, nights are still cold, but days are getting warmer. It is perfect weather for farmers to collect sugar maple sap. Sap is liquid that is found in trees. The sap flows out of taps and into buckets. This device is called a tap. What it does is it pulls the sap or the liquid from the tree out through the tap and into the bucket for the farmers. The sap has no color until it is boiled. Then it becomes dark, sweet maple syrup. What a treat for pancakes and waffles. Do you like to put syrup on your pancakes and waffles? I know I do. Take a look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? What season do you think it is? Yes, it's spring. Spring brings warmer weather. The leaf buds open. Can you see how it's starting to open? Soon the maple tree grows floppy green flower tassels. These are the flower tassels. These are a bunch of hanging leaves on a branch. Birds build nests on the branches. So here we see a nest. And we see the bird. What is the bird doing? Yeah, he's feeding his babies. Spring also brings rain showers. Look at this duck. He's taking a little shower in the rain. The tree's roots soak up water and carry it all to all of the parts of the tree. See the picture of the roots down here? The roots are like straws. They bring all of the water and the nutrients up from the dirt to the trunk of the tree, all the way to the branches, then to the leaves. Sunshine helps the tree make sap, which feeds the tree. Look at the veins in a leaf. Look at the veins. The veins are these lines that are on the leaf. Air, water, and sap all flow through them. So sunshine helps make the sap, which the sap and the water are what help make the tree grow. And they go through the veins on the leaves, and they go through the roots, all the way up to the trunk, all the way up to the branches. Take a look at this picture. What do you see? What season do you think it could be? Yes, it is summer. In summer, the maple tree is covered with dark green leaves. Fruit called samaras is growing on the tree. It makes a good meal for the chipmunk. Look at the chipmunk. He's storing some of those seeds in his cheeks. Even on a hot summer day, you could find a cool place to play under a maple tree. You see what the boy is doing? Yeah, he's on a tire swing, staying cool in that summer sun. Take a look at this picture. What do you see? What season do you think it could be? Yes, it is autumn or fall. In autumn, the tree's leaves turn bright colors. What are some of the colors you see? Some red, some yellow, some orange, some green. As the leaves dry up, they change from green to yellow, red, and orange. Each day, more and more leaves fall to the ground. What is going to happen when all of these leaves fall off of the tree? The tree will be bare. Autumn brings chilly days and nights. Bugs begin to crawl under the tree's bark. The bark on a tree is that hard and tough and rough outer, like kind of shell of the tree. It's on the trunk of the tree. It protects it. The bark is where they will sleep through the cold winter. Animals get ready for winter when food will be hard to find. Squirrels hide lots of nuts and seeds. Do you see? Where's this animal hiding? Yes, he's in a tree hole. Why do you think the animals have to find all of their food in the fall? I think so too. I think it would definitely be hard to find some of that food in the wintertime. If you play in the leaves, you'll hear crunch, scrunch, crunch. But don't worry about making too much noise. The maple tree won't wake up until it is spring. Why do you think that is? Why do you think a maple tree will not wake up until the spring? I think it's because it's cold in the wintertime. And in the springtime, the weather changes and gets nicer. I hope you enjoyed our story today, A Tree for All Seasons. What you could do is you can write your favorite part of the story, draw a picture, you can write some words about what you learned in our story, you could share our story with an adult, and if you draw a picture, make sure you send it to your child's teacher. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you soon.